So how do you delete files from the VLC on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the files or the media which you can browse through the VLC app on your iPad are actually stored in a separate place. Like you can access it through the Files app. So locate the Files like folder, blue icon on a white background, that is the Files app. And from the locations, just go to the local storage. So you will be able to then see multiple different folders, and one of them is most likely going to be the VLC media player. And the thing here that you need to know is that as it tells you right away that you need to place media here to add them. So in order to like delete them, make sure to hold it down on the file and even like either move it to a different location or you can just delete it altogether from this folder. And this will make it disappear from the iPad, right? So that is like a different way of accessing it. You would expect it to go from the VLC app right away, but it kind of works like this because, obviously you can also hold it down on the media right inside of the VLC app and click on the delete, but that is, it's like completely removing it. But the better way to access the files and all of the different things which you can play through the VLC is by getting into the actual folder within the Files app. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one in the future, and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well.